Do you know many people are having trouble with opening the boot of their BMW U2 series from the driver's side? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unlock car. Make sure the vehicle is unlocked and sit in the driver's seat. Step 2. Find compartment. Locate the storage compartment in the driver's door. Step 3. Press button. Inside the compartment, find the button labeled for opening the trunk lid. Step 4. Clear obstructions. Press the button and ensure the trunk lid area is clear of obstructions. Step 5. Lift trunk lid. If necessary, manually lift the trunk lid to fully open it. By following these steps, you should be able to open your BMW U2 series boot from the driver's side effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other BMW users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.